Do you know puppet lines? Do you have them? So stay, because I will show some facial yoga exercises, a massage, and 2 specific points to activate the natural collagen in the skin and eliminate puppet lines. Let's start with the uplifting massage. But first and foremost, it is crucially important. Do you inquire whether I employ cream for my use? In this scenario, oil will be applied. This necessitates the use of oil. For some tips, you can start by using rosemary oil, which provides a stimulating effect. However, if your skin is healthy, using a neutral oil would be just as effective. Now I will share a genius trick with you, a small but important one. Before using the oil, remember to slightly heat it up. Just a bit, and apply it on the face. That way the pores will also open and it will help you too. If you don't possess any oil, fret not, as the massage won't be hindered. It will function admirably nonetheless, yet employing oil improves the experience to a certain extent. I have slightly heated the oil in this location, allowed it to pause and become warmed, then proceeded to use it. Now, let's proceed with the massage in an upward direction. How shall we proceed in accomplishing this? So look, we're going to take a bit of oil. Where are we going to place the fingers? Index and middle fingers. We are going to place them here, starting right here, where the lines we want to remove are located. We will begin right here and we will start to lift up. Lifting, lifting, lifting up. All the way up to the temples. This is the exercise we will perform together, here. Once I am able to do it, I find solace by closing my eyes and allowing myself to relax a little more. How much time will we do it? Well, look, we will do it 60 times. We try to leave the skin. Keep your voice smooth, neither too high nor too low, but in the middle, and maintain relaxed shoulders throughout. Let your neck relax again. We say it one more time. If you notice both fingers, are you doing all right? What is the purpose of this? In addition to that, it will stimulate blood flow and provide relief to all the muscles in the jaw. This is the initial technique for massaging upwardly. Typically, the appearance of puppet lines is associated with the aging process and tends to occur in individuals over the age of 40, although they can manifest earlier. Typically, these manifestations occur as a result of diminished skin elasticity, collagen, along with elastin, leading to the inclination of skin to sag or repetitive facial muscle movements. The loss of facial tissue can enhance their emphasis when these specific massage techniques are performed. With these exercises, they will help you recover and manage to get rid of the puppet lines on your face. Second massage we are going to do, okay? We will perform a massage using knuckles, so fingers won't work for this. We need to apply the oil again. We will do it like this. Easy, right? Be careful not to use too much. Place it on the knuckles. Same here. Place it on the knuckles and we proceed. Leave. Notice how I allow it to slightly descend or delicately uphold it, preserving its essence. Okay? Again on the knuckles, and I go to the corners of the lips gently. Okay? This is where I will land. Press a little. Okay? And follow along the jawline. That's it. I go here, we will lower a bit when we are here, okay? Remember, it's this part, right? Here, as I push inward and then lift up, that's it. Be careful with raising elbows, it happens often. I slightly elevated the amount. Take a moment to alleviate the tension in your elbows, preventing your shoulders from lifting. And there. And we will repeat this 30 times, okay? It feels quite nice. If done, be careful not to press too hard. Also be cautious if you have a toothache, okay? To avoid pressing too hard as well. And this, what will it do? It will decongest all this entire area of the jawline, okay? And it will tone the muscles a bit. I want to emphasize, you need to do it 30 times per day, twice daily. It is crucial to continue for several weeks, and I'll reinforce the importance even more in this video. For the third treatment, we will focus on lymphatic drainage. This massage targets the lines of expression on the face, helping to rejuvenate your skin. Now, let's begin. Initial text contains 34 characters. Please take a look at what I'm holding. Can you guess what it is? It's a jade gua sha, commonly used for a variety of purposes. This massage we're doing, but I get you might not have it at home. If you don't have it at home, what do you surely have? Surely, right? Can you guess already? Okay guys, how about spoons? Great, we need 2 cute little spoons. Let's proceed with both so you can get a better idea of how it works, all right? What can we do here? Since this is already warm enough, okay, let's grab a small amount of oil to assist a bit, all right? You can even pour it here, on top. Okay, just a little there. Take care not to pour out an excessive amount of oil. Now let's begin, okay? Look over here. All right, let's go up, shall we? It's crucial to exert more pressure below to achieve the desired effect, okay? Here, the mouth is slightly open. There we are, you see. Always a bit more pressure below because that's where we work the lines, okay? The marionette lines, remember? To eliminate, we will do it 30 times. 30 times, that's the count. So approximately up to the ears, okay? And we proceed with this 1-2 facial yoga exercise called the smile technique. Forced. You know a bit, right? When you appear in a photo, that's basically it. What I did a bit was clean myself with a wipe. So I always do this cautiously to prevent my fingers from slipping unexpectedly, doing the forced smile. Let's accomplish the task. How should we proceed? Shall we use these two fingers? Position them here and let's display a smile. Let's stretch, let's force a bit, okay? It's crucial not to show our teeth when working as it engages all the facial muscles. Dental care involves keeping every muscle active. Can you observe? Your attempt to coerce upwards, and now we gently push a little further inside. Not sure if you've seen Joker, but it's quite similar. What are we going to do? For 5 seconds, then we rest for about 3-4 little seconds and do it again. We will do it. We will repeat this process approximately 10 to 15 times and also twice a day. I will perform it again to ensure clarity. This way, a bit upwards, and this would be the forced smile without showing teeth. So we will continue with these exercises, which are also of great importance for maintaining skin elasticity. Let's now proceed to discuss some key points. The first point we will focus on is 4 of the stomach, Dikan or storage earth. In the case where it is clearly a storage, we will activate it, the storage that is. So what is our next course of action? We will exert outward force. And what purpose does this serve? We will activate the natural collagen of the skin. How will we do it? And above all, first of all, where is it? Well, look, do you remember the video about the nasolabial fold that came here? Well, this is just below. The storage lines are all below, so we'll stick to that. This text has 61 characters. The groove, which is most noticeable on my left side. See? We will fall there with the measure of the lips at that middle point, and we will work there. How will we work it? What's the most important thing? Well, we will do 20 upwards and 20 to the sides. We will do it right here. Once we have the point on both of the sides, we will start there. Okay? Working upwards, moving up, pressing a little bit, okay? We must experience a bit of pressure. Exercise caution when experiencing tooth pain, all right? And once we have done the 20, we will go outwards. Do you mind if we take a moment to look upwards as well as to the sides, just a little bit? 20-20. It is vital that you feel a strong connection to the important points discussed in this exercise. We should strive to ensure that they resonate with you and that you find them impactful. That's a good sign. Second and last point, we will work on 5 of the stomach. While we worked on the 4, let's move to the 5, Dajin or welcoming point. So we will embrace the point and work on it thoroughly. Where is the point? Important, we will follow a diagonal from the corner of the lip without reaching the bone, okay? It's about 3 fingers, approximately, in a diagonal. That is, I don't go here, okay? Nor here, in between, okay? Like a triangle, so the middle, this one. Is this okay with you? Can you see the triangle I'm forming with my hand? Right in the middle, what would it be? And here I am, okay? And here I go, before reaching the small bone, it would be here, okay? There. We should always be on both sides, right? Don't forget, let's locate the exact spot. It could potentially cause some inconvenience for us. Well, let's see. If it bothers you too much, relax a bit. You can do it with one finger, okay? With this one, with either of the two. If you're tired with this one, use the other, okay? And we will do it about 30 times approximately. Is that all right? We will put forth some effort and get to work to achieve our goal, okay? What we really need here is to get activated and mobilized in order to get things going. Fingers, moving them a bit with circles, okay? We will always think about opening and lifting, all right then, attempting to rectify and eliminate marionette lines. We agreed, right? We will do it twice a day, 30 times in total every day, to promote blood flow and enhance circulation for better health. Let's say move or make sure you don't have blockages in this area because more blood will flow. So this would be the second point, and it would be the last point we have today. It's very important from all these exercises we've done, all these massages, this facial yoga, these 2 points, it's crucial that you do them consistently over time. If one day, for instance, Instead of doing 30 repetitions, you do 15 because it bothers you a bit and you already feel too much. Well, do 15. But continue doing it for a period of 4 or 5 weeks. Take a photo if you want before, because you will notice the difference. And if you haven't seen a video, I will recommend the video star video we have about the nasolabial fold. All right? This part right here. Then as always, till the healing process is complete and beyond.